How to add a line in Adobe Acrobat. Today, we are diving into a quick and easy tutorial on adding a line in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you are making up a document or simply want to draw attention to the specific area, adding a line is a straightforward process. Let's get started. First things first, open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Once you're inside, look for E sign, which is over here. Tap on it, and that will open a few options for you, and on this option tap on this one, which is draw line. Simply tap on it and drag it over to the document and place it where you want to add a line. For example, I want to add a line over here. Simply tap on it and stretch it out like this. And if you have intention of making it bigger or smaller, you can use these two buttons. This will make it smaller and this will make it larger. Play around with these settings until you find the look you like. And that's it. You have successfully added a line in Adobe Acrobat. This simple tool can enhance your document presentation and make your annotation clearer. That's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.